What is the role of comparative negligence in Tennessee car accident laws? Comparative negligence is a legal doctrine that plays a significant role in Tennessee car accident laws. It affects how damages are allocated when more than one party is partially at fault for an accident. Here's the role of comparative negligence in Tennessee. Pure comparative negligence. Tennessee follows a pure comparative negligence system, which means that even if you are partially at fault for an accident, you can still seek compensation for your injuries and damages. The amount of compensation is reduced in proportion to your degree of fault. Determining fault. The determination of fault is a critical aspect of car accident cases in Tennessee. It involves assessing the actions and behavior of all parties involved in the accident, including drivers, pedestrians, and other potential contributors to the collision. Percentage of fault. In Tennessee, the jury or court will assign a percentage of fault to each party involved in the accident, including the plaintiff, injured party. This percentage reflects the degree of responsibility for the accident. Calculation of damages. The plaintiff's total damages are calculated, and then their recovery is reduced by their percentage of fault. For example, if the plaintiff is found 20% at fault and their total damages are $100,000, they would be entitled to recover $80,000, 80% of the damages. Impact on compensation. The role of comparative negligence means that plaintiffs can still seek compensation even if they bear some responsibility for the accident. However, their recovery is reduced based on their degree of fault. Multiple defendants. Comparative negligence can also affect how damages are allocated among multiple defendants. Each defendant is assigned a percentage of fault, and their liability is proportional to that percentage. Evidence and legal arguments. Comparative negligence is a point of contention in car accident cases, and both parties may present evidence and legal arguments to support their positions regarding fault and the allocation of damages. Complex cases. Cases involving multiple defendants, complicated facts, and varying degrees of fault can be legally complex. Expert witnesses, accident reconstruction, and other evidence may be necessary to establish fault and calculate damages accurately. Legal representation. Given the complexities of comparative negligence, it's essential for all parties involved in car accident cases to seek legal representation. An attorney can protect their rights and interests, negotiate for a fair allocation of fault, and work to maximize their recovery. The role of comparative negligence in Tennessee allows for a more equitable distribution of damages in car accident cases. It recognizes that accidents are often not the result of a single party's actions and ensures that injured parties are not barred from seeking compensation due to partial fault.